Welcome to the workshop.
Rising moon.
Welcome. It's good to see you. Welcome, Rising Moons. Good to see you. Wine. Welcome to the workshop. I know it seems a little, well, a lot, but to us this is everything. I see you've already met the gatherers. Very good. And you may call me Kanbei. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it is new junk. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, abandoned outposts, forgotten places, and battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here, to the workshop. So where a stormtrooper may see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Very good. Well, now we hear there is another. A new Jedi. Do you know her name?
Yes.
Rey, yes. What she is leading is the spark of hope that we have been searching for so long. And that's why you're here. To look ahead. Well, and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection on its builder with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. But enough talking. Let's begin, shall we? We begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the Force and magnify it, some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. And the color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. The blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red, the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. And we're here for you, our future. It's now time to select your Kyber crystal. Everyone, close your eyes for me. Close your eyes. In your mind, picture your crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now open your eyes and select your crystal, and remember the crystal may be choosing you. Very good. You've all selected your crystals. Now, if you would, please place them in the green crystal holders in front of you. We will now pair your hilt with the unique lightsaber design that you have chosen. You'll begin by building the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and the part that stops your hand from being disintegrated. Now, in these boxes are the unique components of the lightsaber design that you yourselves have chosen. Very good. Now, in the boxes you will find the chassis, activation plates, grip, pommel cap, and emitter. Building a lightsaber is a journey. Just as you selected your kyber crystal, so too you will now select the individual parts that make up your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to help you should you require assistance. Well, are we ready?
Yeah.
Very good. Let's build.
Rising Moons builders, how are we doing today?
Very good.
We're ready to build?
Absolutely.
Alright, perfect. So our first piece we're going to start off with is our chassis. As you can see, the chassis has a chamber right here with a little bit of give on top. This is where we're going to insert our kyber crystal. So, I find it's easiest with the smaller end of the crystal up towards the top, towards these lines. But you can actually put it in either way. But once it is properly in place, it should light up. You should be able to spin it around in the chamber, and it should sing to you as well.
Would you mind giving me assistance with that,
Oh, yeah,
sir?
yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Here we are.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Alright, are we able to spin it around freely inside of here? Perfect, that's what we want to see. Now that our crystals are properly in place, we're going to move on to section 5. We're going to choose either of these sets of activation plates. And as you can see on the inside, there's a red and a blue mark. We're going to match up those red and blue marks with the red and blue marks on our chassis. So whenever the saber is complete, this will act as the activation switch for the saber. Here we are. That's what we want to hear as well.
Trust in your instincts. The Force will guide you towards the components for your lightsaber. Your first choice may be the one guided to you.
Right.
Listen to those instincts. They will guide you.
Now that our activation plates are in place, we're going to move on to sections 1 and 2. We're going to choose any 2 of these 4 grips, whichever one's called to us. And as you can see, one side is wider and has threading. We're going to put that wider end towards the activation plate. So you're going to apply pressure and twist, and then it'll lock into place. So it should be about a quarter turn until you just the gold piece will go towards the activation plate. And would you let me finish?
One of my favorite pieces. I chose that one. Yes, it's a language that's older than even this workshop. We're not sure what it is. It's not Arabesh, which a lot of people would assume. If you do ever find out what it is, I'd be very curious to know. Hold on.
So you'll choose any of the remaining 3, and that'll go on the other end of the hilt. So yes, yeah, any one. Perfect. Now that we have our grips in place, we're going to move on to section 3. On this one, we're going to choose one of our 2 emitters, and the emitter will go on the end that the saber comes out of the hilt. So you'll choose either of these, and either of these as well. Do you have any preference for this one? Perfect. So we'll put it on the end here. This is where the saber will come out of the hilt.
Very nice. Pieces from the Sith homeworld. Interesting choices. Yeah. One more here. Whichever one you want to have the first. Very good.
Perfect.
You made short work of
Now
yours.
that our emitters are in place,
And of course, a pommel cap to finish out.
section 4.
Interesting pieces. I may not agree with every Sith teaching, but I won't deny their commitment to cleanliness and design is quite astounding. Very good. Some excellent work here, builders. You should be very proud of
You can
yourself.
choose an emitter for the top and a
Do we have a
pommel cap for
preference
the
which one of the pommels you'd like on the end? Oh, so
Interesting.
Let's go with this one.
Selecting pieces from the
Perfect.
Sith homeworld, just as one of your colleagues.
Alright, so what made us choose power and control?
I think it should be very powerful.
That, and what color crystal do we have in here?
Oh yes, the blue.
Oh, blue. So balanced, right? That's what we're going for? So when it is time to activate your saber, you're going to flip this switch up, and that's what we want to hear. Perfect.
Very nice.
And I'll get these pieces out of your way here.
My personal favorite of our styles is protection and defense here. Very nice. And this right here will be your activation switch when they let you know that that time has come.
This is going to be your activation
Your lightsabers, all of them share common elements. In this case, the bubble cap, very similar, but all completely unique. It's interesting how the Force calls us towards different pieces. Now, builders, if you have completed your lightsaber, now is an excellent time to pick it up in your dominant hand, whether that be your left or your right. Start to feel how that lightsaber sits in your palm, how your fingers connect to the grips that you've chosen. The lightsaber truly does become a part of you. The bond is not only forged upon activation, it's in these moments when you start to look and feel at the individual pieces that you have chosen. Every single lightsaber created in this workshop is unique, just as those builders around are also unique. You may find that I wouldn't look down the end of it. Not a good idea. It's not so much lightsaber 101 as just good sense, really. But it's all a learning process, isn't it? Now then, builders, if you would place your lightsabers back in their holders and take a moment to reflect upon your new creations. Very good. You've all completed your hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic happened. Because why would it? Which brings us now to the most dangerous part of the process. I will ask everyone to take a step back. Gatherers, we will now stabilize your crystals for activation. This must be done with a great deal of care, skill, and timing as a single inverted emitter, and we can have yet another hole in the roof of this workshop. And we won't be doing that again, will we, Sydney?
My eyebrows just grew back.
Oh, excellent. Very good. Thank you very much. Now then, builders, as we move forward into the next stage of this... What's happening?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, on my signal, everyone will take a step forward, place their hand on their hilt, and together we will activate for the first time. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Then step forward. Place your hand on your hilt, and together, activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsabers. Very good.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time, we may be telling your story. Till the spire.
Till the spire.